Hey there, welcome to our channel. If you're tired of lugging your laundry to the laundromat or battling for space in your shared apartment building's laundry room, then this BLACK+DECKER small portable washer is the perfect solution for you. With 5 cycle selections including heavy, gentle, normal, rapid, and soak, this portable washer is suitable for all your laundry needs, from delicate lingerie to tough baby clothes and diapers. The impressive functionality of this washer allows you to choose from 3 water level options and even select a delay start of up to 24 hours, so you can do your laundry at your convenience. The stainless steel tub is not only durable and rust resistant, but it also features a top-loading transparent lid, allowing you to watch your clothes being cleaned in real time with our outstanding impeller washer. And with additional features like auto unbalance detection, auto shut-off safety features, and child lock protection, you can rest assured that your laundry is being cleaned at peak performance and your family is safe. Designed for mobility, this fantastic portable clothes washer machine can be easily transported from room to room thanks to its 2 rollers, 2 side handles, and a front adjustable leveling leg. Plus, it comes with a quick connect adapter, water supply hose, and drain hose, so you have everything you need to get started right away. So why wait? Say goodbye to the hassle of public laundry facilities and hello to the convenience of having a portable washer right in your own home. Click the link in the description to get your hands on the BLACK+DECKER small portable washer and make laundry day a breeze. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out on our latest product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.